Hello everyone, my name is Laura Modali and welcome to Science for Education, supporting teaching and learning in science education. In today's episode, I'm going to review cell models from Learning Resources. Here, I have a plant cell model and an animal cell model. I have used them before in my STEM classes and biology class to help students to visualize the cell. They have pictures in their textbooks, but these models give them something physical to hold in their hands that supports their memory retention regarding the information given about the cells. You can use these models for grade 4 and above. The plant cell model is made from foam with images of the major organelles in the cell. The surface is smooth, shiny, and feels a little bit silky like plastic. It has two sides, and one side contains images with labels on each of the organelles, and the other side only contains images without labels. And so I was able to use the side without the labels to quiz my students and encourage them to look further in their textbooks or from a specific website related to functions of each the major organelles. I like the quality of the foam because it's thick and solid, yet still feels soft. I can stick the two sides together like this and would give you the sense of, oh, this is the whole cell, before you open it and see what's inside the cell. The size is small, so it wouldn't take up much space, and you can put it on your table or stick it in your desk drawer or display it in your classroom for students to see all school year. This model also comes with a little book that has a short explanation of each organelle in the cell. At the time of this recording, the price is $21.99 at learningresources.com and a little bit cheaper on Amazon, $19.99. You can find this at Target as well for the same price as Amazon. Learning Resources also has an animal cell model just like this for the same price. Next, I have the magnetic animal cell model from Learning Resources. The size is large, so you can stick it to your whiteboard in the classroom for the students to see. It comes in a box with 18 pieces and a little information book. To assemble, you will need to put the biggest part first and then follow with the small parts showing the major organelles. They all will stick together like this. You can use this to quiz your students. For example, you will stick the big parts on the whiteboard first, and then you can call students one by one to stick an organelle by the name you mention and ask them to explain the function. The price for this magnetic animal cell model is $24.99 at learningresources.com and more expensive on Amazon, $28.99. That's all for today's episode, and I hope this helps you to decide whether these models are for your science classroom or not. I will see you next time.